but she keeps sucking.
Whoa, saying is yo boy Silva in the cut, and in today's video we got my boy Mr. Irish Spring Green. Yes sir, Mr. FlightReacts, and today's video we're reacting to FlightReacts making random noises. Now if you guys follow Flight, we all know Flight, you know, he's a funny guy, but he always makes random noises. I don't know what type of noises it represents, like some type of animal, I don't know. But we're just gonna get right into this, man. But before we get into the video, if this is your first time seeing me on the screen, make sure you murder that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to your boy. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. I can't wait, man. Let's see what Fly got. Yo, I hate that laugh he does. Oh my god, this one right here. Yo, Flight is a character, man. What are you guys talking about? Oh, yo. Right. I say no, find out that oh, he put Clorox in his shoe. Oh my gosh, Flag. Come on. Did he did he really went out like this? There's no way.
Cap, amazing Cap. Green.
Yes, sir. Oh. No, I hate it so much. Oh, sorry, Mike. I hate it so much, bro. Like, it's funny, but just like, what? There's no way that's your real laugh. There's no way. There's no way.
Better than the rest. She don't know what's for you with that she trying to rap. And be in denial.
Right.
What the fuck?
Oh, part 2? Hey, why not, man? Oh my gosh. It just, I hate it. Bro. Oh my gosh. I hope I don't get nightmares from this laugh. Honestly. Oh my god. I hate that laugh. Wait. Who did he sound like? There was I think it was a cartoon. You guys know what I'm talking about? He sounded like this specific cartoon. I think it was a rat or something. I don't know what it was. That's exactly what he sounded like. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Green, green,
You got a love flight. You got a love flight. Honestly.
fuck out my way, man! Damn! Only to these types of people happen. What the hell? Down. And this is on my team, damn, I don't know shit, baby. Y'all hear that?
Oh my god.
The team is out!
Flight is a character, bro. Oh my god.
Hey man,
no way. No way. No way. Come on, Flight. You over exaggerated that.
Pistons versus the Portland. You guys
think he really acts like this in person?
Fall, winter, and hot. Last time I paused the video, by the way, bro. Remember earlier I said I was just so playing the early three.
Yeah, just reset. Just reset, bro.
That's why I took his fucking money.
Hey, I'm the chosen one.
That one, I can't do it. I just hate it. That's the most addicting laugh. Oh my god. My boy dropped with the beat.
Daniel.
He sounds like a seal. That's what it is. That's what pisses me off. I'm like, why are you making that noise? Oh my god.
Joe. What? Oh. Up, but she keeps sucking. Too many dead moves.
Right. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my god.
Saying?
Just to avoid serving in the Vietnam War.
Ew.
Don't let me.
I'm not doing that shit.
Surprisingly, his stunt allegedly worked. He was
Yo. Hey man, shout out my boy FlightReacts, man. Shout out to you, bro. Man, do you guys really think he acts like this in person? I would love to meet Flight in person. I don't think he actually laughs like that. But anyway, guys, that was the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, make sure you murder that like button. Comment down below what you want to see me react to next. If there's part 3 or 4 to this, guys, let me know if you want to see it in the comments down below. And subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to your boy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yee.